Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on a Kenmore dryer. It's a gas dryer. My customer's complaint is that it shuts off at the middle of the cycle or it takes too long to dry the clothes. So I'm here, I open the two screws from here, which is these two. The filter comes out and then there's two tabs, one here, one there. You use a pry bar, lift it up, and then the front panel comes out. You're gonna lift it up and take it out. So I'm keeping it on the side right now. The door lock is still hooked, and then you can lift this up and take the drum out, the belt, everything comes out. I already did a good cleanup on this dryer. So this is our gas coils, this is the igniter. These are the very important parts that controls the temperature or the gas. There's also some thermostats and thermal fuses behind this dryer. You have to take the back panel off to work on that, but I'm not worried about that. I'm gonna work here. You can also check if the dryer is heating or not. You don't have to take anything open apart. So it's like a fully assembled dryer, it looks like it. There's a little small hole there. You take that clip off by putting a screwdriver, pry it out, take it off, and then I'm gonna turn on the dryer now. Everything is good, it's plugged in. The gas is on too in there. That's the gas, it's on. But always turn it off when you're working on these dryers to be safe. Turn it on, and I will look at that hole if it's heating or not, or if the gas is coming on. It's working fine. Well, so far we know that it's working fine, but it was not working properly. So I'm gonna put this on the side. I'll actually plug it back in so I can show you how it works. There's a couple testings that you can do on this gas coils by disconnecting this wire. It's plugged in, but be careful. You always disconnect it when you're working on it, but I'm confident I have no problem. I can do this. So this is the little small gas coil. This is my multimeter. I'm gonna select the ohms and resistance reading. On the first two, I was supposed to have 1.3. I think it's 1.3 ohms. Okay, 1.3 kilo ohms. That's good. Okay, I'm not gonna put this back in. Let's try this one. And on the first two pins, I was supposed to have 1.3 ohms. It's super hard, but hope I can do this. Okay, 1.3 ohms, and then between this pin, the last pin, and the middle pin, okay, I was supposed to have 1.2 kilo ohms or 1.9 is fine. 1.9. That's fine. Even if you're getting 2.0, that's still okay. It's close enough. And now between the last two pins are supposed to have half a ohms, like 0.5. 5.78, that's perfect. So my coils are fine. And you can also check this glow bar, the igniter, that kind of looks like this for continuity. Even if you check this for continuity and it even comes on, it doesn't mean it's still working. The perfect way to test this, to get a proper reading, to make sure it's 100% working fine, you're going to use your clamp meter. You choose one of these wires that goes to the glow bar or igniter and use your clamp meter and select the amperage reading. You want to get 3.7 amperage on this when it comes on. If you're not getting 3.7 amps, it's still gonna glow. You're gonna see it's getting red, but it's never gonna communicate with this gas coil. It's not gonna work. So let me turn it on again. Same time that's glowing. .5 is okay. So why it's not working? See, when I turn it on, turn it back off. So you will see it again. I want to get 3.7 or 3.5 to 7. Okay, so it's not working. And the reason it's not working, because both of these gas coils are disconnected right now. I was testing them. So I'll put this one back in and this one. Okay, we're gonna check again. Always go clockwise. If you go counterclockwise, you're gonna have problem. You're gonna get problem with your timer. So again, I hope everybody knows that. Turn it clockwise. Start. They're connected. 3.7. Perfectly fine. And if you don't have a multimeter to get the amperage reading or the resistance to check these coils, there's an easy way. When they energize, they get a magnetic feeling on it. It gets like, you can feel it like it's having a magnetize. It becomes like magnet when you turn it on if it's working. So you see there's no play, nothing. I'm gonna turn on the dryer and I'll play with it again with the flat screwdriver or a piece of steel that's gonna get magnetized. Nothing yet. Now I can feel it here. almost like magnet. See? So the problem I had was this igniter was the problem. I was getting 2.5 or 2.7 amperage reading on this one. So I replaced it. It's easy to replace. There's only one screw. You open this one, be careful, make sure it's cold, otherwise it's going to be very hot. You open this as 316, where you need a small special ratchet, something like that. Sorry, it's 516, and just go there and open it. Once you open this bracket comes out, and you can take another screw from the bracket out and then replace it. That will take care of the problem. I hope this video helps you. If you guys have any question, please comment below on my YouTube channel and I'll answer all of your questions. Again, if this drawer doesn't start, there's a safety thermostat behind this panel. It's located somewhere there. You're gonna have to take the back panel off. It's a white color that has 2 pins on it. It's the fuse that blows, and usually it blows when you get lots of garbage and debris build up here and there, or on the ventilation area. That blows. Other than that, this is a good dryer, and I hope it doesn't give more problems to my customers. Again, turn on your gas, plug it in and test it. It should work fine. Thank you again. Peace.